Good morning, Mary Cruz.
Good morning, Monse.
And good morning, Grizzlies. And these are your morning announcements. But first, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Put your right hand over your heart.
Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and
to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Weather today is partly sunny with a high of 68, and for this weekend, we're going to see the temps in the high 60s all weekend.
Need community service hours? Key Club is conducting a stock drive for homeless. Bring any pair of socks to Ms. Chong's room, 2103. You'll get an hour of community service for every 2 pairs of socks. It ends January 11th.
And buy ice cream from Key Club next Thursday after school.
Who doesn't love ice cream?
The first annual District Literary Arts Contest calling all poets, media artists. The district is hosting its first annual Literary Arts Contest. Submit a poem, prose, or video production to the theme, Inspire Us.
That sounds really cool. Look for an email from Dr. Lee for a link to the submission from Mr. Medina and Miss Laura. We'll host another writing workshop on January 10th. Please see them for any questions.
Talent show auditions. The talent show is January 25th. Sign-ups for auditions is in Mr. Marting's room 1138 right now. Auditions are next week, Wednesday, December 19th. Come show us what you can do. Stop to confirm your time.
Yearbook. Don't be a Grinch and buy a yearbook at jostensyearbook.com today.
Track and field tryouts. Tryouts are going on for track and field today after school. Run, jump, or throw with the best athletes in Santa Ana.
Host a French student. In February, Godinez will be hosting 9 students and their teachers for 2 weeks, and we are looking for students to host a French student. See Mr. Perry in room 1156 for details.
Spring musical auditions. Auditions are next Monday after school. Get your audition packet and sign up in the choir room. We are reviewing audition songs Thursday, Friday, and next Monday at 7 a.m.
Down to the final 4. Vote for the school-wide summer read book on the school website. Check your email for details. You have till Saturday at midnight to vote, so vote now.
Seniors, there's still time. Cal States and UC Merced have extended their application deadline to December 15th. See your counselor for more information.
And seniors, please pay off the remaining balance of your senior package by January 18th in your activities. Also, check your SAU Learns email for many scholarships.
Money, money, money
that are being offered. See Mr. Bravo in the Higher Ed Center for more details.
Color Guard fundraiser. Color Guard is selling cup of noodles, aka maruchanes, after school today. Warm up while you show your grizzly spirit.
Now that's it for today. Enjoy your day and the rest of the weekend. Stay tuned for the Grizzly Media special Christmas show.
Now roll that tape, Miss Fearborn. Bye, have a good weekend.
As the semester comes to an end and the holidays draw near, we here at Grizzly Media have decided to thank some of our teachers for their hard work and devotion.
Thank you. That's very sweet. That's very
And Grizzly Media.
Happy holidays to you. Okay.
Just want to give you a little present for your hard work.
So nice of you. Present for you. Merry Christmas from Grizzly Media.
Oh, sweet. Thank you so much.
So beautiful. Thank you.
Bye, Miss Nick.
Helping us seniors.
Oh, that's awesome.
Happy holidays.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Thank you. I appreciate it. That's nice to see you again. Hey, Carlos.
Thank you for your hard work.
Thank you. Appreciate it. He's the best.
Hi, we just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays from Grizzly Media.
Thank you so much. That's awesome. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you, Grizzly Media. You know my heart.
Hey Grizzly, so today we're going to be building a gingerbread house.
And it's gonna be boys versus girls.
Let's see how it goes.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. It's like snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see those. Sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. It's like snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling.
Which one's the best?
Yeah, try to look at it.
Okay.
Yeah, I expected.
Kind of obvious, but.
We want
I don't know
to.
about that one. I mean,
I like the Tootsie Rolls. Okay, and then let me.
I'm saying, do y'all got a chimney? I don't think so.
Yeah, we have a
We
chimney.
do.
They do not
Santa
have a
Claus will come in
chimney.
through here.
It looks like.
Yeah, how is Santa Claus supposed to get in through there? Like,
Front
That's,
door.
that's unrealistic.
I don't know.
Is it
I
a
do
door
like
like a
the
civilized
chimney. Guys, they're both excellent.
Oh, ours
They're
is more
really, really good, but there can only be one winner. Congratulations, guys. All right, ladies, good job. Sorry, it's really good. Can I eat the chimney?
Yeah.
It's the Amigo Double G. Snoop Dogg. See those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling.
alright, gang, we out here skating. Good.
David, that was your fault!
No, that wasn't.
Oh, I think we got the hang of it. They're pretty bad at it still, but we're pretty good. So let's go.
Gang. Never mind.
We said this would be fun.
That into your DMs like,
No comment. I went to that 5 times.
With the end of the semester just around the corner, it's good to be able to just let loose for a change. So get out there, ace those finals, and look forward to a great winter break, Grizzlies. Adios! Ice skating is hard, by the way.